this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is TableMark with their Homerun Ken Miso Ramen. And we got water at the boil already. Dropping in our... This is, oh, it's a miso... Isn't it a miso Wantanmen? Maybe it's miso. I don't know. It'll say. That goes in. This is the soup base. That does not go in at present. There's the noodle. And we got 4 minutes. So, let's get to the show. How you doing? Yeah, like I said on the last episode, it's still that day. And things are going well. I'm thrilled. Let me just say I'm thrilled. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. That's good. And it's 3:32 p.m. The sun's going down quick. We did the clock thing. It's November 13th and the last weekend. Spring forward, fall back. We fell backwards. And that's good. It's fall. It's fall, Louise. It's fall. Boy, this is really gonna cut it close. I won't be able to get these videos edited or compiled or anything, but I will be able to get all this part done for now. I'm gonna look at the next one I got. I think it's 400. Oh boy, that's tiny. 400 milliliters I'll need for this one. I'm like in a tizzy. The next one is a curry from Indonesia. You will see on tomorrow's episode. I've been doing... I got, like today, I'm doing 3 episodes. So but I publish them 1 a day. So I've had weeks and weeks that I've done this like 5 days in a row. I've had like months where I've done all but 2 days of doing 3 reviews in a row. So I'm way far ahead. This episode is coming out what? Is this episode coming out in March or April? And it's November. So they pile up. What's my dog doing? Are you being good over there? You're not doing a poop dance, are you? Hope not. That's kind of the new thing, is not doing a poop dance, but the fact that if I go out and I leave my puppy here for too long, she's like 13 weeks old. So she's got the pee-poo pads down. She's got an X-Pen. And maybe the outro you see will have her in it. She's a pug. Her name is Louise. Sweet little dog. So we're really happy. Kids love her. My wife has been a lifelong pug enthusiast. So all is well on that front. But she's really small. She needs her next set of shots. She needs to get fixed. All that fun stuff. But she's still, she's a little young yet. So pretty soon we'll start housebreaking her and all that good stuff. Hey! Alexa, stage 100%. There, now she's got the light of God on her. But if you were wondering, yeah, I do that. When you see the images in the posts, I use these lights that are controlled by the Alexa device. And it's called Stage. All right. It's a copy stand with a DSLR camera pointed straight down. And if you hear that sound in the background, there's the music I'm playing, but I've also got a Twitch stream called Old Timey Computer Show that if you're into vintage computer stuff, you really owe it to yourself to check it out. It's rad. Okay, so here is what we got. See that? Let's try the broth first. It's pretty good. Here's one of our wontons. I'm kind of going to do this one backwards. Here is a wonton. Hydrated very well. And some noodle. Not at all bad whatsoever. I like that one. Wow. Okay. 3:37 p.m. Yeah, they're doing a thing on the... Who made the Odyssey? Mattel? It's a gaming system from way back. You can play Odyssey tennis. You can play all these things. But I've found that having some audio on keeps my puppy calmer. But I think what she likes to do is run around and mess up her little animal pad things. And when she does that, that can cause a mess, especially if she is being bad. Hopefully she will not be bad. Here is our egg. Oh, come on. I think what we're gonna have to do is razzle dazzle my opponent with like that. Well, seems like a little bit of razzle dazzle. Will this work? This guy's yummy. There's that. We're going to add in some spring onion. And a little bit of mung bean sprout. Now, Rotato doing its thing. Good over there. You're being a bad dog. What are you doing? Aw, come on, Louise. Well, Louise is being moderately naughty. She has taken her pee-poo pads and gotten kooky with them. So I'll have to attend to that. Anyways, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. The one you're going to see tomorrow, like I said, is an Indonesian variety. This is mie sedap curry special curry kental. So yeah, on the next episode. Have a good one. Bye bye.